So today it is going to be the continuation of diseases of bones and joints, and in that we are going to see about osteopetrosis. What is osteopetrosis in simple? It is nothing but marble bone disease. That is, the bone is solidified and dense but brittle. It is a rare genetic disease which is of three types. These three distinct forms of this disease is based on age and clinical features. They are infantile, adult and intermediate. Where in infantile onset it is clinically malignant recessive inherited form, and in the adult onset it is clinically benign dominant inherited form. If the infantile onset osteopetrosis is untreated, it results in death in the first decade of life due to severe anemia, bleeding or infection, whereas the adult onset of osteopetrosis is asymptomatic and usually they all have a long-term survival rate. Clinical features of benign dominant osteopetrosis, that is adult onset, are develops later in life, bone pain, mostly asymptomatic, multiple physiological features, osteomyelitis, nerve palsy due to narrowing of the cranial foramina by bone deposition resulting in nerve impingement. When it comes to clinical features of malignant recessive osteopetrosis, that is infantile onset, are more severe, may be of congenital or neonatal in origin, optic atrophy, hepatosplenomegaly, poor growth, frontal bossing, pathologic features, loss of hearing, facial palsy, genu valgum, death as a result of anemia or secondary infections. The jaws are also involved in the same manner as the other bones. Oral manifestations are reduced medullary space of the jaw, which increases the chance for osteomyelitis if infection reaches the bone. Bone fracture during extraction due to brittle bone and enamel hypoplasia, microscopic dentinal defects, arrested root development, more prone to dental caries, retardation of tooth eruption due to bone sclerosis. Radiographic features are usually diagnostic because it is a heterogeneous group of disorders. The findings vary depending on the subtypes, where patients have generalized sclerosis. Bones may be uniformly sclerotic, but alternating sclerosis and loosened bands are noted at the end of the long bones. The bones may appear club-like, or it may show appearance of bone within bone. The entire skull is thickened and dense, especially at the base, and the sinuses are small and the vertebrae are extremely radiodense, and they may show alternate bands known as Rugger Jersey sign, and the radiographs may show fractures and osteomyelitis. When the jaws are affected, the density of the bone may be such that the roots of the tooth are nearly invisible in the dental radiographs. Laboratory findings. Patient may manifest a myelocytic anemia due to displacement of hematopoietic marrow tissue by bone. Hypocalcemia can occur, which results in rickets if it is severe enough, and secondary hyperparathyroidism and increase of bone with apparent lack of physiologic bone resorption. In polarized light, there is deficient collagen matrix fibrils which seldom crossed from one osteon to another. This defective collagen fibrils is the cause for increased tendency to fracture. Treatment. Infantile osteopetrosis warrants treatment due to adverse outcome associated with the disease. Calcitriol appears to help by stimulating dominant osteoclast and results in stimulating the bone resorption, and erythropoietin may be helpful in treating anemia. Corticosteroids are used with the hope of stimulating bone resorption and treating the anemia. Treatment with gamma interface has shown a long-term benefits, and the adult osteopetrosis has no treatment by itself. Though complications of the disease might require intervention, there is no specific medical treatment for the adult type. If untreated, the infantile osteopetrosis results in death due to increased anemia, bleeding, and secondary infections. Patients fail to survive, have growth retardation, and increased morbidity. Prognosis can change remarkably in some patients after bone marrow transplantation, and in patients with adult osteopetrosis have long-term survival rate. If you want me to discuss any other topic, please leave it in the comment box, and do like, share and subscribe for more videos.